Now, let's move to problem number 2 and how we solve it. This one is the most expensive question in this whole business. Should I bid or should I walk away? Bid decisions today are made on gut feel or skipped entirely, wasting proposal budget on contracts you were never going to win. Here's exactly how Sambid solves it. The AI reads the full opportunity, the scope, the set-aside, the timeline, any incumbent signals, the value, against your company profile, your UEI, your cage, your certifications, your NAICS codes, your capabilities, and against USASpending history. It outputs a confidence-scored recommendation, go, lean go, or no go, with the 12 specific factors behind the call, so you know exactly why, not just what. 3 days and consultant fees becomes 30 seconds. That's not a small improvement. That's a different sport. This one is the most expensive question in this whole business. Should I bid or should I walk away? Imagine there's a big race and it costs you real money just to enter. Weeks of work, thousands of dollars, and you can only afford to enter a few races per year. So the question, which race should I enter, decides everything. How do you decide today? Gut feeling. This one feels good. And when the feeling isn't enough, you call a consultant, pay their fees, wait 3 days, and at the end, it's still mostly a guess. So let me actually walk you through this one, step by step, because this is one of the deepest tools on the platform, and I want you to see exactly what happens. Step 1. You select an opportunity, straight from your saved list or your live feed. The moment you pick it, Sambid tells you plainly what it's about to do. It's going to send the complete opportunity data to the AI, the description, the contacts, the dates, every attached document. Step 2. Company readiness. Your company profile, your past wins, your certifications, all of that is already auto-loaded from your verified account. You don't type any of it in again. The only thing you confirm here is your team capacity right now. Fully available, partially available, or stretched thin. And you can optionally add context, teaming plans, incumbent intel, anything specific about why you're interested in this one. Step 3. You click Run, Go, No-Go Analysis. And here's what actually happens behind that button. The AI reads 5. Every attached solicitation document, the SOW, the RFP, all the attachments, the complete SAM.gov opportunity record, the historical winners for this exact NAICS code from USASpending, your verified company profile, and real market pricing benchmarks for similar work. And what comes back is not a vague opinion. It's a formal gate review. At the top, a clear decision, go, conditional go, or no go, with a confidence percentage attached to it, not just a label. Now let me break down exactly what's inside that report, piece by piece. The scoring matrix, 10 factors, and every one of them is scored with real evidence behind it, not just a number sitting there alone. NAICS and technical match. Does the actual work in the solicitation match your registered codes and your real experience? Set aside eligibility. Do you qualify cleanly with 0 caveats? Past performance relevance. And this one's important. It doesn't just say yes or no, it tells you honestly if your past contracts are close to this one or a stretch. Competitive position. It names your real likely competitors, pulled from actual award history in this NAICS code, not guesses. Then 5 more factors round it out. Price competitiveness, win probability, revenue impact, resource availability, timeline feasibility, and your relationship with that specific agency. Each with the reasoning shown, adding up to one total score out of 100. Competitive intelligence, real company names who've won similar work, real dollar amounts, and whether there's an existing incumbent on this exact requirement, or if it's brand new. Pricing intelligence, a recommended price-to-win range based on actual historical awards in this space, not a guess. Strengths and risks, your top 3 strengths, your top 3 risks, and for every single risk, a specific way to fix it before you bid. Win strategy, your key themes, your differentiators. whether you should team with a partner, how to position your price, required actions, a checklist of specific tasks with specific deadlines, counting down to the actual submission date. And if it comes back no-go, it doesn't just stop there. It tells you exactly why and what you'd need to change to bid on something like this successfully next time. That's the whole point. Not maybe, not a gut feeling, a formal, evidence-backed recommendation you could hand straight to a capture manager, generated in the time it takes to read this sentence. Now, I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to show you, step by step, practically, right inside the dashboard, how this actually works. Hey guys, this is our Go, No-Go dashboard. Now I'm going to test it live, right in front of you, and we're going to check the result together.